Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with my October Artymaze, A Tattered Dream, and OohlalaCrafts design team project. As well, in this book, I also use some eco-dyed papers from Rosemary Morris at the Rusty Peacock on Etsy. So I will have them all linked down below. And this is a soft cover, upholstery covered journal, and so it's got a great feel to it. And then it's just bound with sari ribbon, has this beautiful print from Artymaze on the front, layered up. And so let's go inside and take a look. Okay, get it in frame here. So the inside as well is fabric, and then we start with the beautiful prints from Artymaze. And I've created tabs on this journal with the fabric from OohlalaCrafts, the fabric strips that she offers in her shop. And then I have attached charms on several of them with the bulb pins from A Tattered Dream. So let's go in. I've added a few things since the last craft with me. I added a few of my eco-dyed tags. And we've got an altered paper clip here with another bit of fabric from OohlalaCrafts. And some trim here also from Oohlala, and that's on the flip. And then we've got a little fabric cluster tag and one of the prints from Artymaze that has been Mod Podged to give it kind of a leathery feel. We've got some Edith Holden pages. Here's some of the beautiful eco-dyed paper from Rosemary. Again, fabric from Oohlala. And then this beautiful lace is from A Tattered Dream. I just love how the elements from all the shops just came together so nicely in this particular journal. So again, some of the beautiful prints. This is Rosemary's again. And this one. This is one of my eco-dyed envelopes. I've got a little bit of washi down here, and then I put one of the leathery journal cards from Artymaze in the pocket. Some more Edith Holden. A lot of the pages have stamping, which if you crafted with me, you saw us do that. And I've added some kind of fall colored washi here and there. This is again Rosemary. Here's a guest check from A Tattered Dream that has some fabric from Oohlala and some trim from Oohlala on it. And this little fuzzy trim down here is from A Tattered Dream. And we've got journaling cards and glossy accented journaling cards. And then this is one of the leathery postcards. Here's yet another journaling card that's tucked in the flap of this envelope. And here's another little bulb pin from A Tattered Dream with a leaf charm on it. And then this envelope is one of the envelopes from Artymaze that we embellished with a little bit of napkin and some Edith Holden, and again some sari silk and this fuzzy fiber from A Tattered Dream. And so that just attaches onto this page and tucks in there. This is some rust paper that Rosemary has done, and I just think it's gorgeous. Perfect for fall. Perfect for fall. Another one of the little fabrics from Oohlala and Artymaze's design. A layaway tag from A Tattered Dream. This seam binding and lace is from Oohlala. And then again, some of the Artymaze designs tucked in here and there. This is one of the envelopes from Rosemary that we put a little leaf on. This is one of my eco-dyed papers here, and Artymaze. Lots of journaling space in this one. Here's another one of the bulb pens with a little tree charm on it. Some coffee dyed. This is a Tim Holtz die cut that I've just popped some tickets from the kit and a couple little tags in there. This is some more seam binding from Ooh La La. The middle of the signature has this beautiful envelope. It's tucked into one of the tickets from the kit and then has a journaling card. Just tucked right in there, and then the flap tucks down in the ticket. There's again some of my eco-dyed paper and an envelope here, both sides open, and you can tuck something in there. Again, a little tab with the Ooh La La, and I took one of the envelopes from A Tattered Dream and layered some fabric from OohlalaCrafts on there, and just popped it behind. This is a fabric cluster that I just made into a tuck spot, and then it's got a couple of pieces from the digital kit tucked in there. And this is a glassine envelope from A Tattered Dream that I put one of the fabric collages on. I do have a tutorial on the fabric collages if you're interested in that. We'll just clip that back on. And under the flap I had this card from Artymaze that I did some glossy accents all over the sunflower. Some more washi, some more fabric. Here's one of the glassine bags from A Tattered Dream that I put one of the fabric collages on. I've tucked one of my eco-dyed tags in there, and then we put in the bag this card from the Artymaze kit with one of the tabs from the kit as well, and that just tucks down in there. I love how the writing shows through there. And then this is just a little fabric belly band with a couple of pieces of ephemera once again from the kit. The Edith Holden, another little charm. This one has a bee on it. That's on the bulb pin from A Tattered Dream. This was an envelope that was gifted to me, and I just attached it onto this page and tucked a couple of journaling cards in there. And this is a maple leaf on this tab. Some more Edith Holden. And then on this flip, we've got another altered paper clip, some trim from Ooh La La there. And then tucked in there, we have the little mini envelopes from A Tattered Dream, and I've just put some Ooh La La fabric on there and some bling. And then a couple of the journaling cards from Artymaze there, and then this tucks in here, and my little signature there, and that is this journal. So thank you for crafting with me for a good portion of this journal, and I hope you like it, and I hope that the gal that I made it for likes it. So thanks everyone for watching, and we'll just see you next time. Bye bye.